Record.
My name's Mingo.
My name's Kyle. We're from Bates Technical College, part of the Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, and Refrigeration program.
Today, we'll be explaining to you how we utilize FLUKE iConnect tools so that we can test our commercial industrial refrigeration system.
Cut.
So first things first, we have to check for source voltage. We'll be using the V3000 FC to check for our voltage off of our main disconnect that feeds our refrigeration unit. Always wear your PPE, glasses, gloves, and be aware that this is a 480 volt system that's running 60 amps. It's not energized at the moment. We'll be checking from leg 1 to leg 2. This is a 3-phase system. Close the panel. Hang our device. And turn on the power. And the beauty is that you're away from the panel and you could use the device to check for voltage. So from leg 1 to leg 2 we have 483 volts AC current. AC voltage, excuse me.
Cut.
All right, next we'll be checking the current coming from the contactor to the compressor. We will be using the FLUKE 376 FC to do this, to check the current. First we're going to take our loop, put it through the first leg, connect it. Alright. We're going to take another one, wrap it through the second leg.
Okay, he's good.
Make sure it's secure by twisting it. And we're going to do the third leg. Okay, now we're going to close the door. Best we can. And we're going to... Alright, and we can tell by this that we are getting 0.3, 0.2, and 0.3 amps. And here we see the same measurements on the 3 ammeters.
Turn it on. Turn on the machine. Give it a second.
Right now we're waiting for it to fire up for the compressor to kick on.
Yeah, let's just stop this right here. Okay.
Cut.
Stop it, yeah.